Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Marwa engineer. Today I'm here at the place of the fireplace, or we call it smoking zone. So as you can see, I'm with Pablo Jr. I'm with the guy here. You can identify yourself.
Hello, Prince.
Prince is here, and then we have got Sammy the electrician here. So I took out your views on how you had advised me, and today we are concluding that we actually want to plaster this place. So we are going to put the sockets below where you sit so that you'll be able to connect and to make us be very much comfortable. So guys, Pablo has won, and actually his ideas have gone through.
Yes.
So what do you have to tell people? Because most people were just congratulating you on that.
Actually, I'm very grateful. At first, this from the junior here, and I see that, and I do see the junior J and R. I'm a content creator. So actually, I'm so proud of you guys, the one who actually supported my idea. You know, there's nothing good like when you come up with an idea and someone supports so that you are correct. At least you feel that the project is very well. You feel yourself like.
So what about Prince? What do you have to tell our viewers?
Hello guys, hope you're doing good. Here it's Prince James _ Peace. That's my YouTube channel name, guys. Okay, the decision that we have made that they put the sockets below the seats, it's very okay because that we are looking for the suggestion, guys, and I'm really happy about it.
Yeah, that's why I only wanted to inform you. Sockets always are put on below. We don't put sockets above unless it is something very special dealing with recording or TVs or something. But all sockets in buildings are being put below 1 feet from above the ground. So that is it. Just be comfortable with that. Next time you have such a work, understand that that's how it's supposed to be. Thank you so much for accepting and knowing that this is how the decision should go.
Okay, thank you.
Hello guys, today again the boss has woken up and he has started the works, only to realize that he needs a fish bone at this place. So that's why you can see these guys digging here to create a wall that will be retaining the waters so that fishes will be put here. So this is how the day has started. So he was so much aggressive on seeing that this fish bone should be placed here. So we have tried to advise him accordingly, but it has made me to bring in an expert. That's a guy who does a lot of fishing in the village. So we have incorporated him to give us ideas on how it works. So today we are going to have him here so that it gives us ideas on how we should go about it. So it has started this way, and this is the works that have started all over the compound. So guys, here people are working seriously. Maybe Kijana, can you say hi to my people?
Hi, what's up guys, people? We're trying to dig a hole that we want to put the fish pond here. Now we are trying to dig a hole so that we can put there some beam.
Okay, so those are the works that today are here, and we intend to show you more and more things because I want to bring you online with the guy who is behind the fish pond. To my side, I'll only make something that can retain water, but the knowledge how fishes are being reared I don't have, so I will have to incorporate him. The good thing, he has agreed us to bring the expert who knows more about fishes, what they require, the temperatures and whatever. So I'm going to give you an audience so that you may hear and give us views. How do you think we should do it? I thought it wise to bring the fisherman because I don't know how to rear fish. I only know how to eat fish. Keep in touch. We are going to see more and more content. Guys, I'm at the gates, and this is the scaffold that I want to make, actually, to make sure that I've embedded the slab which is going to be on top. And this is the guys are behind doing it. So as you can see, they are so busy trying to make sure that the place actually the end meets. So today we are here with Samson, and he's trying to put up the scaffold so that it goes on the rooftop to work on it, so that we may put the end slab that is going actually to make our gate to be secure, not to be rained on. This is the works that are undergoing here, and actually we are in total hurry. As you can see, there are vehicles bringing things here. Here we have got stones, and on the other hand, we have men who are working so seriously to see that actually the place has been made as per what we decide to do it now. So this is the ground, and people are busy working. Only that I want to have some time so that I may show you more details once the generator is off, so that you may see actually without any noise, because I realized that the other day when I took my video, there was a lot of noise inside my video, but I had apologized because that's what we were to use. We had no power. So today also we have woken up. We have got only power of the generator. So we are going to work along with it to see that things do end. This is how busy this place is, and the guys are trying to work as much as possible. Thank you so much. Keep in touch. So at the gate, this is the far we have gone. We are building up the scaffold to take people up, as you can see. And the technician behind it is Samson. You can see how he's doing. And on the other side, I'm getting off the formwork so that I prepare that place to be plastered. So there's a guy I've placed there, and my boss is trying to give him instructions on how to work on it. So that is the progress at the gate. So guys, we are putting this in place so that it may help us to do the works that we want to place it from above here. So the scaffolds are going on, and as you can see, every detail is going. I think the guy is now doing curing. That's why he has got the water to cure the place, because as you know, yesterday we made some concrete works there. So there is a slab there, which is a parapet slab that is going to add beauty. So he's doing curing on top of it. It is only that it is too high. I would have showed you how actually we do it. So here they are making efforts to see that every place here has been done in the perfect way it is needed. So as you can see, the guys behind me also, they are making a lot of work to make the end meet. This is at the gate side, and this is the hardcore that I told you we used in building. We have the hardcore on the other side, which is a bit smaller, that we shall use it in making pavings along the house. So guys, this is the progress that is going on here. Also, I want to check on you on the welding man, Mr. Duke. Is welding some of the things here. That is the doors for the security. So they are trying to make sure that this place is finally done. Today morning, the boss came up with the idea that he wants a fishbowl. So that's why you can see there are a lot of works going on. But let me finish from Duke, then I'll show you actually what is on the ground happening. This is the skeleton of the door, and it is remaining to be mounted on. And this is also another door. So say hi to my people, Mr. Duke.
Hi, the audience of iammarwa engineer.
Yeah.
I'm Fundi Duke.
Yeah.
I'm constructing the doors and the gate of the main gate.
Yeah.
You can see at the main gate there is that tower.
Yeah.
So the house of the gate man.
Yeah.
You will use the doors.
Yeah.
And also the windows. We have the windows there.
Yeah, the windows are right away.
The windows.
That are right here. These are the windows. This is a skeleton just, and there are other things that are going to be placed so that it appears so good. So this is it, and you see the first gate is already here. It is only remaining painting and being placed on the rail. So today you are finishing this one.
Yeah, I'm struggling. I'll try to finish even the two doors and even one window.
Okay.
Then the entire work will be finished tomorrow, I think.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. So I'm taking you to the water tower because I know since yesterday I have not taken you to the water tower, and I would like you guys to see actually what is going around the water tower. So this is the water tower as we are approaching. Also down we have got the powerhouse, that is the generator house. So far we have done some of the works inside, but today particularly we wake up in the morning and we started putting the grills. These grills, as you know, the generator needs a lot of air, so that's why we have placed it like this. As you can see, we have already placed it also on the other side in that manner so that it works out perfectly. So guys, you know the guy who is behind doing finishing works here is Elia. You can just imagine, here is a wall that he has done it. Do you admire? Give me your views so that I may share with him to see how it can go. Elia, just say hi to my people.
Hi everyone.
Yeah.
I'm here. I'm going by the name Elia.
Elia.
I also have a YouTube channel.
Yeah.
I'm going by check me.
Yeah.
You can give me support.
Yeah.
Every day, actually, give me the support.
Yeah.
By the way, I already seen the support from engineers, people. So that can we watch my video until the end up to the engineer showing how to do the works. Yes.
So Elia today is plastering at the powerhouse house, and as you can see, he's holding one of the rods. This is one of the tube. We use it as a straight line to make the wall to be so vertical. So that is how they do. You can see how it's scrubbing. It's scrubbing to make that there is a lot of alignment of the walling, so that when it does its finishing, we find that the place is going to be level and smooth. So vertically we have to do it, and this is the one we use to cut after we have filled in this manner. So we use it to cut. These are some of the tools that are being used here. One of it is the plumb block to access the verticalness of our wall. Number two, we have got the wooden floor. The wooden floor, this is how it is made. It is just made from wood, and it is used to be handled. Can you go have a Elia? Can you use this wooden floor so that they may see? This is the wooden floor that they normally use. So these are the two major things they use. Also, we have here a steel flop that is used in making smoothness. This one is used in making smoothness of the wall. Is known as a steel float. This one is known as corner, chuma corner. This one, we use it at the corners of the walls. Inside here is where it normally works. So people, after plastering, somebody just rubs it down to attain an even smooth surface. So this is what normally is used here in the corner. It is just made that like this. Actually, you go to the welding, you get the angle line, and then this is a tool that is just modified to make the work easier. So it is used in corners. Also, we have the corner. This is known as cobbler in our language here. So it is used here to make this place to be so much at 90, the walls. This is how it is being used. And guys, after plastering, this is how they use. If I get time, I'm going to bring you to show you once he's making here on this side. I'll show you how it is being used so that you may enjoy looking and seeing it. So thank you. You can see even the grills we have started placing. There's one here which is meant for the other side. There's also electricity provision, piping we have done. So everything is going to be in order here. Thank you so much, Elia. This is what is happening here. We are placing columns here in place, and we are placing them until the far end. Also going downward, we shall place them. As I told you in the morning, the boss came up with the idea that he needs a fish pond here. So actually myself, I was to advise on how to make a wall, but I didn't have powers actually to deny it. But it is the test of the boss. So they are trying to make it, and let me show you how others are doing here, because there is also some other works going on here, and they are trying to put the columns in place. You can see, because this place is so watery, so you have to create a bound that will carry a beam. Then we are going to put a wall on top of it, so that walling may be stable. So I'll continue showing you other things that are being done here, so that you keep updated. Thank you so much. Guys, as you can see here, we have got the electrician is chasing up the wall, and then after chasing the wall, we are going to put the conduit pipes that will provide provision of wires that will create electricity to the walling. So this is how he's doing it, and you can see he's creating a hole through the bed of the motor. So this is how they normally do it here locally. So he chases up the wall, creates a vacuum where the conduit pipe will pass. So he's gonna do all of it, and the whole process of the walling, so that we create electricity towards other section. So that is it. I wanted you to know, and I'm going to show you how he has done it to other areas. So I wanted to show you practically how it is being chased, and you see he chases the wall. Why do you do so, young man?
Yes.
Why can't you just place the pipe on top of the wall?
No.
Yeah.
When you place the pipe on the wall,
Yeah.
meaning that the pipes will be destroyed by anyone
Okay.
who comes. Yes.
So you try to enclose them inside.
Yes, we try to enclose them inside the wall.
Okay.
Yes.
So the boss wanted to see electricity around the wallings.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So there will be a lot of lights of different color, all one color.
Different colors.
So that is it. This is the guy, the electrician who are working with Sammy. They are saying they are going to place electricity here, so that we have bulbs, and bulbs will be of different colors that are trying to shine out in the compound. What a wonderful place is going. I wish I come here at night and see how this place will be at the end of the day.
Yes.
So that is his work here, and you can see from the other side he has done it. So he has chased the wall all through the way until at a point of the column. Then he starts again chasing the wall all along. He's chasing up the wall. So as you can see, already here they have placed the pipes. So this is the conduit pipe. This is the conduit pipe. You can see, this is the conduit pipe, and here we have got what we call the circular box. The circular box. This box gets to interchange the pipes where they are heading. You can see it has gone up to this level. So this is where it gets them out, and they are going to work. One of the tools that they normally use in making beds at the far corner, this is the tool they use. They call it spring bar. So this spring is the one that they enter, and then they try to bend the pipes coming upward. So I'll show you one of it when the guy is doing bending up, and this is known as the coupler. This is the one that joins one conduit pipe with the other. So this is known as coupler. It's the one used to join the conduit pipes. You can see they're coming above the wall, and this is how they're going to be. So we are going to have electricity fitted here, so that the lights can be seen. So I've shown you other things that are going on. This is one of the activities. Yes, the boss said that we should have a fish pond here. What is your opinion about the fish pond? Do you think it's good? To my side, I thought that we should not put a fish pond, because fish pond may attract mosquitoes. What is your opinion? about that fishpond. So you can easily see, guys, we are doing it so that we have the place once done. So I'm also showing you the finishing work in progress here. As you can see, they are trying to plaster from the other side so that they show actually what they have done. Don't mind, that is the generator making noise. So bear with me, my video will have some noise. And here is Mashauri trying to do plastering works. So Mashauri, say hi.
Hi everybody.
Yeah.
Now today we are doing a plastering. Yesterday we were plastering it.
Yeah, he's saying that yesterday they were building the wall. Today they are doing plastering of the wall. So this is what is going on around here. You guys give me views. Give me what you think about this project. Inside the house, this is what is going on. As you can see, they have created the scaffold on the open area. This is what they are doing on the launch. As you know, this place is so tall, so they are creating the scaffold for them to do some gypsum works on top of it to bring the bulbs down. And that's why you can see they are making this huge scaffolding to make sure that they are on the top. And you can see we have just improvised to make some boxes down so that they don't tamper with our tiles. And these guys, they have done this. So after this, they are going to start the work of putting gypsum rails on top of it. And actually, they are doing fine, as you can see. This is at the launch. This is how they are doing it. And may I show you some of the goods that are being used here. So at the staircase I showed you yesterday, this is the real picture of the place. And these bars, the steel bars are the ones that are going to be used in making the gypsum at the launch. Here they are already. And at the far end, we have the gypsum board. The gypsum board that are going to be used. These are known as the gypsum boards that are going to be used. Here they are. And they are waiting to be put in place so that everything is done to have the dropping light from above. That is the taste of the boat. What is your taste? So guys, you can see here Mashauri is going to do plastering, and this is how they do it. You can just show my people how you do it. So this is the process that they normally do. Then you take the wooden block, then you try to press while it's scrubbing the wall. So finally, here things that finish. After scrubbing, you go along. This is how it's being done here locally. Can you tell me at your country how you do it? This is how they normally do it in this country of ours. So people use just simple tools like a wooden fork to make plastering work. So may you tell me in your country how you normally do it? Because for Mashauri here, he has taught you how he does it. What about in your country? Can you tell us what you normally do there? So that guys, we may compare to know who does it best. Is it you or it is us? I hear of other places they have got machines that normally do plastering. And once I tried to mention it to my fellow guys here that there is a machine that can do plastering. They were so bitter. Saying because the machine is able to handle work that can be done by 24 men. So the machine is capable of doing just by itself. So what do you think? Is taking up the motor, plastering on the wall in this manner. So this is how they do it here. Yes, you can see scrubbing, Wewe weka mawe ndogo ndogo pembeni, weke kokoto utoka hapo. So we are trying to show them, actually, to show you guys how we do it in our country. I expect you to give me views so that I may hear in your country how they normally do it. Because for myself, that's how we do it. And you can see the type of finish we are coming with. We have only put the soil because the wooden crop, because we want to put it here. So guys, what is your opinion? This middle is the place we are suggesting to be a fish pond. Can you tell us your views so that we may get your ideas how you turn this place to be? For me, I don't know anything about rearing fish. So that's why I told you I'll call upon the expert to tell us, to advise us. He's only that he's out shortly. But once he's back, I'm going to have an interview with him to see that you are actually acquainted with a lot of knowledge about fish. So this is it. So this is the boundary wall of the fish pond where there is a stream. So the fish pond will be in between here. What do you think? Give us views and your opinions so that we know. Today's work, you can see how they have plastered this place, and this is how it appears. So we are going to have a rectic on there where the conduits are on top of the wall. So this is how it appears, guys. This is how the wall appears after being done finishing. We are going to put tiles on top of here, and on the other side of the swimming, we are going to put tiles so that the wall should not absorb water towards outside. So as you can see here, they are continuing on plastering the wall. As I told you earlier, this is the idea where you see the columns in between. This is where the fish pond is required. I need your opinion. This is the best space that this place should have a fish pond. What is your opinion over it? Because as to me, I don't know more about fishes, but he thinks that the fish pond should just be around his house. What do you think of this place? What should we do to better it to be more and more good? So here is Mashauri. He's just ending up his works, and as you can see, he's plastering and making the place to be fine. So this is the end of the day. He's struggling to make the ends meet and to make this place to be. That's how we do it, as you can see. So at the end of the day, I expect you to explain to me or to just text me or send your comments on how your country normally do it. This is how they do it. So sometimes you may find him dirty than the way he appears. So depending on the place where he's plastering. Kindly guys, give me a comment about it so that I know, so that I may be able to distinguish how in your country you do it. Thank you so much. So as you can see, we are concreting the beam down the line, and the boys are bringing a lot of concrete here to place it. So this is how it's being managed. Ambia yule anakoroga ongeza simiti kidogo. Nani ongeza sementi? Yeah. So I'm telling them to add more cement because it seems the type of the sand they use quite a lot takes a lot of cement. So that's why you can see this. And we are trying to do it so that tomorrow we will have a wall where we shall place. So this is it.
Guys, we are working here. We are, we have few days left.
Yeah.
Every day is countdown.
Yeah.
So we are pushing as much as we can to ensure at least when you guys come, we have a place.
Okay.
Yes. Otherwise.
Wasa fungua hiyo Samson. Get all of that. Hii nyuma, rudi nyuma. Use break. Use break. Get out of the break. I mean to get out of the tag so that the formwork comes out smoothly the way we want it. So is what I'm trying to explain to guys. Don't remove that one, Samson. I only wanted the one at Osea's place. Yeah. So exactly that is what we are trying to tell them, so that they put everything to be in order. Now, nail it there. Yeah, nail it there. Now it will best. As you can see now, the size is being maintained. But at that time, they have just made it to be more tiny. Mwaga kokoto, place the concrete here. Sasa hata watoto watajua Kiingereza. Yeah, you can see, guys, they are trying to put the concrete inside the box here so that the beam gets to be more adhesive. So kindly put your concrete from this side. So this is it. They are pouring inside the beam, and then after it has been full, we are going to vibrate it to make it to be very strong. That's your magic. Can I have that water back? So this is it, and they are trying to go along with it so that it works out very well. They are trying to say. Mimi huwa na nini, najaribu kuavoid. So we are making it. Osa, I want you, ukimaliza, you come back here, you try to put this thing in level. Because this thing is not in level. So I want you to place the concrete on top and then you blind the level. Have you passed on with the vibrator? No, do this. Come back to this first, and then you will put the vibrator, come out with the final finishing. Yeah, this is the type of concrete I want. Yeah. So you place it. You can modify. Here in Africa, if the vibrator is not around you, you just have to scoot it the way Jose is doing. So the once you do it like this, it's compact, and then you hammer it just, you stamp it from the edges, yeah, like this, like this. Yeah. So once you see that there's some of grout floating on top, know that everything now is settled down in the proper order that is required. So guys, it is manganyo. You call it, it's manganyo. Yeah. Yeah, that is another language they call it, that it is manganyo. Yeah. This water, the soup or the grout at the top will show you even the balance. If you see the water settled, then no, everything is on level. But if you get that it is flowing towards one area, then you know that that thing is not going in the right order. So the water bath will continue showing you the flow of the beam. So this is it. We are making it here. Can I have your views also, guys? How should it be done, or how do you do it in your country? This is how we do it locally here. Yes, when the vibrator is away. So we get ourselves to modify such a vibrator.
Give me the hammer.
And using also the hammer, we knock like that, then it is settled. As you can see, on top of which it makes up a grout of cement. So this is how it goes. I said don't push it so much, it will start flowing towards the other area. Yeah. Guys, can you give me comments about that? So guys, we are compacting, and that's how the vibrator works. You can see how fair is vibrating. And we are trying to make more of it. As you can see, we have finally completed making our scaffold, and this is how it appears from the far end. This is how that scaffold is. Now guys are going to work on top of that place, and down here people will just be passing at the gate normal, with the rollies just entering without any other problem. So guys, this is what we calculated to see that vehicles can pass and give us time also to work on top. So as you can see, we have already secured this place, and we have made all efforts to see that this place we can continue works without any other problem. This scaffold will be only been removed after we have done plastering works. here at this place. So you can see already I told you I had casted one side the slab that we needed to show the gate. So this is what is it, and it appears in that manner. So expect more and more to be done tomorrow at the gate here. We shall have the works of formworks going and undertaking here, various. As you can see, also we are doing other preliminary works to see that ends meet. So guys, just keep in touch, because even at the gate, we are continuing doing a very big progress. Hello guys, it is in the evening and guys have finished their work. So I would like to talk with them just slightly to know how was their day, and today and yesterday, how have they found the day. So I start with Mashauri, my top mason also, who is the technician. How was your day today?
But then my day was very fine.
Yeah.
Because according to my work, what I have done to do,
Yeah.
I have done today.
Yeah.
But it's good. But
so how much do you expect to be paid at the end of the day?
At the end of the day, because we have agreed with the boss,
Yeah.
per partition per cube.
Yeah.
1 cube for 1,000.
Yeah.
So I have done 2 cubes.
Yeah.
So I'm waiting for 2,000 per day.
So compared today and yesterday, which day was so much difficult for you when you were working?
But there's no difference, because yesterday,
yeah,
I was paid 2,000 in the same.
Yeah.
And today 2,000.
Okay.
Yeah.
So the guy is saying around that is around $15 that is going to receive for the work that he has done today and yesterday. Was it so challenging? Was there a lot of pressure on you?
No, we have, but we don't have any pressure, because our boss, our engineer, there are people who are understanding, but they're not pressuring, they are masons. Now,
how can you judge, or how can you conclude yourself with the atmosphere that our boss is having now? The moods he's having since yesterday.
But today our boss was very angry, but then
he was so angry
because he was saying that most of the workers, they are days, they are just kujificha.
They are skiving.
They're skiving. So at the end of the day, they got us moving a lot of money. But the work, there's few works, a lot of money. That's why today he was very angry.
So how do you think that if we continue with this pace, are we able to meet our target?
Yeah, we can meet.
We can meet. So Mashauri, sometimes you see when somebody gives out money and is under pressure, he may see things are not moving the way he wants. So at least bear with the situation. Understand him that actually it is that pressure he's having towards the party. So he has to make every corner meet at the end as he had planned early. So that is the mood that he may have. But I bear with you that you should understand. But I see that now you are pocketing good money back home. So you should at least keep up the spirit, because even tomorrow if you go with 2,000 and the next day, I think you will be in a position of having quite a good amount of money.
I just pray hard to be there.
So as we are approaching towards closer to the party day, I think now you have started enjoying the fruits of the party coming to our side. So this is Mashauri. What is the opinion about the type of handmen that he deploys inside? Do you think there are many? Do you think there are few? What should we do?
But then, if I was me, I was the boss. But the handmen, there are many, but many. Because some of the handmen, you can see that the work is very few, but handmen there is more than that work. But at the end of the day, you get that one handman can work on something more. At the end of the day, you need money.
But you see the workload ahead of him. He has got very many jobs to be done. Others are to be done manually. So you expect him to change or to deploy many, because he fears that if he doesn't deploy a lot of human labor, he's going to miss his target. So just bear with him that is now the flow of things. let me come. Thank you so much for keeping me informed on what is going on. Let me go to this brother of ours, Samson. He's the guy who was behind making this gate. Yeah. Is there something bad on your forget?
But I have a channel.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have a channel there. Subscribe there, Christopher 254. Christopher Nyakwara. Yeah, I'll be there. And don't forget to subscribe to our engineer. You know, our engineer has taken us from one step to I can say down to up. Okay. Because he's the only engineer we have who can take us somewhere from Hispania, Mombasa. I think next time we are heading to America by then.
Let's pray so. Let me talk with Samson here. He's the guy who was behind making these scaffoldings, as I was showing you earlier in the morning. And as you see in the evening, the scaffolds are already in place. So we are going to work on the scaffolds as from tomorrow. This is the guy who was just on the top trying to make the scaffold work properly. What do you have to say?
Yes, I think I have done.
Yeah.
Even if the day was so hard for me, but I think...
Which is the most part of the day that was so tedious to you, that was so hard to you?
One thing, when you look up there, you're in the process of carrying those trees.
He's saying the process of carrying the props up, it was not easy, because this place is almost 5 meters high, so the process was so tedious.
It does make me to be exhausted. As you see me, I'm so exhausted.
Okay.
It's the time I want to go home. I rest, and tomorrow I wake up in the morning. Then I resume. As per the day goes by. I think tomorrow you will see the process, all done what we have done tomorrow. Yes, but today I think it is good. I have done the work of today. I've called it a day. And I think this is our daily course, and I'm proud of it, because I earn a living through this work. And I work daily, and I am matured from this engineer, as you see. The far I am now. It is not an easy way, but I was just learning. I was just gaining experience through the engineer Fred. And you see where I have gone. I'm still going far, and I think I will go far as we work together.
Maybe let me ask you just a small question.
Yes.
It's a reminder that has come. Can you tell my audience the way we met each other, the way we started with you work, what you were and what you are today?
I think first of all we met at the year of 2014. When I was a handyman. I didn't know even to mix a sand and a mix of sand and
making
cement.
mortar.
Yes, I didn't, but through what they say that they say when you
be patient,
you will get the fruits of patience. Then I worked under him at almost 3 years as an underman, with the other 2 or 3, and the others I think it have prospered, they have progressing, they have keeping progress, and I'm still working with him, because this was not an easy journey. We started from far, and where I am now, I'm paid well. I didn't go to school on to any technical school or NTTI, but I worked under him. I learned through him, and you see now I'm paying. I've got a broad through this because I was patient, and he was patient to me. And he also, when he wanted works, we were going together, assigning me a job, and I could do. And you see now I'm going far, and far as I'm going even to Mombasa. All of Kenya, because of him. That's why I say that we started from far, and you see now, see the work I'm doing. Many of them they are running away, but me, you see, I gained that experience from him. So I think it is quite a good person, good engineer. Even if you can interested to him or to talk with him or to give him a child or a student to work for him, you will gain a good experience from him. As I was, or as I am.
This is one of the guys that I started with him from scratch. he was just a handman, and I identified that he can be a good steel maker and he can be a guy who can do formworks.
Yes.
So I introduced the guy. I trained him for a period of 3 years.
Yes.
By the end of 3 years, the guy was so competent in doing these works.
Yes.
So when it comes to big scaffoldings that need him, the guy does it very well.
Yes.
So he's specialized in steelworks and formworks. The guy does it very best.
Yes.
And I feel honored when I see this young man here. One day he was just a handman, not knowing anything, but now he can earn a living for his family.
Yes.
As you can hear, he has even bought a piece of land.
Yes.
I'm so proud of this guy.
Yes.
Because I know I have molded somebody who can tomorrow assist the family.
Yes.
So we are so grateful, guys,
Yes.
for what, and also embrace the patience and the determination that he has been doing. Because once we started with him, actually we were being paid around $1.
Yes.
That's 150 shillings.
Yeah.
But the guy could be patient and learn, and now he's here, is earning good money, around $10 a day,
Yes.
which could sustain his family and make a living. So I'm so much grateful for you, Samson,
Yes.
for taking your time,
Yes.
being patient, and now you are enjoying the fruits of your patience.
Yes.
I wish Geoffrey also could be around so that
Yes.
he testify to others what he actually has seen in me.
Yeah.
Thank you
think
so much
Yes.
for having time for me.
Yes.
All works are the same.
Yeah.
Things, some days it is tough, some days it's not very tough. So
Yes.
just bear with us. It is the pressure we are under that is making us to work an extra mile.
Yes.
Thank you so much. So, guys, here is Tina, the village girl,
African village cook.
the village cook,
Yeah.
who normally cooks a lot of things. But to my surprise today, there is a drink here this mama has.
Engineer, what is this?
This
Like
drink is known as Togo.
Togo.
Yeah.
Traditional sodas.
Traditional soda for the Koreans.
I wanted to learn how to make it, but is it busara?
Yes.
Oh,
In another term, they call it busara.
Busara.
So this
I was trying
busara,
to
this mama is selling it at the villa here,
Yeah.
just for around how many shillings do you sell a cup?
A cup is about 20 shillings.
No, let us make it 10. So today he's selling it at 10 shillings at the villa, and people are enjoying it. The
want to
village
taste.
cook wants to test it and know how it tastes and what he feels of the nini.
'Cause
You
you
can
know-
just
you know
have
I
a
was
look how it is.
afraid.
Yeah,
I was afraid of it because in our culture we have something called busa,
yeah,
and it's kind of alcohol.
yeah.
It's just like this, but it's alcoholic.
But this
The
is
village one. But
yeah, this
here
is not
it's
alcohol.
Not alcoholic because I see even kids.
No, this
Having
is
it.
not alcohol. The only difference within this and alcohol, the busa you normally say of, the busa, the wheat that is used, the barley that is used to make it,
It's fermented.
it is fermented and it takes long.
Oh.
But the one that they use on making this, it is just
Pure.
done pure, and you just had to put it on the sufuria, then you put it like somebody who is preparing porridge, and then you have it. You can see how sweet it is, and more so they put sugar. They put some sugar on it. That's why you can feel the sugary system. So
I think it's like I'm drinking like uncooked porridge.
no. But porridge is it is
light
denser. It is porridge is more denser than that one. That one is so light as soda. So guys, this is it, and the village girl, she's really enjoying it. So I'm telling her that you will not be drunk. You will not be drunk. So let her just learn this traditional drink of here, and she will continue doing
I'll
it
even
best.
learn how to do it soon.
Yeah, the village girl, you should learn actually to
But
do
this
it.
is your cultural drink.
Yeah, this is their cultural drink, and you must learn at least to make it, so that when our visitors come, they want a natural drink, you will just, the traditional drink, you will have to make for them
How
this
long
one.
does it take to make it? 1 day. 1 day.
She's saying it takes 1 day. 1 day?
One day.
Yeah, 1 day it is.
You cook at night.
Yeah.
In the morning you start to use it.
Oh,
Eh?
wow, that is it. And she says that you just prepare it at
It's
night.
actually good.
In the morning, you start taking it. Is it good?
It's good because it's the first time I'm drinking it.
Yeah.
I know if I try it tomorrow, it will better.
Oh, I wish I could have tested it, but my side I don't take sugar which is raw sugar. I normally take sugar that has been boiled in a pot. So I don't go friendly with just raw sugar. So that is today the drink that the village cook is enjoying here. So I decided, let us can you give cheers to my people abroad? Yes, have it. So we love you people. We say that enjoy our drink here. Once you come to Nyabohanse, ask for Togo or Busara. Yeah, thank you so much. This is the final place where Elia was working, and as you can see, the walls are so neat now. It's only dressing that remains. Look at the grill has been placed here, and at the far end it has been placed. So as I was explaining, this one is used here. So it will blunt the corners using this tool, and this one will be used inside. So it will blunt where the two walls are coming close. It will use this tool. So those are some of the things I wanted to show you. You can see this surface, how it appears. That corner has been made by this. So don't forget, it is known as a cobra. Don't go to the hardware to ask it. Kindly, these are things that are improvised on the ground to help people work. So guys, Elia is on the process of finishing and completing the day's work. So since morning he has been working here and he's tired. I think, what do you have to say to my people, Elia, today? Yeah, Elia cannot talk because he's so tired. Guys, I thank you for this day. I thank you for your cooperation. While you enjoy seeing my video, subscribe, comment, and tell me how you do at your side so that we may also exchange ideas, normally how things are being done. You can see he's putting the spirit level to see the levelness of the cobra so that it doesn't go wrong. So he's trying to put the level and the handman assisting him in holding it. So once he finds it, he's just going to work so that he will get the beautification like the one we have got here. Thank you so much. Keep in touch with me and give me a comment what you think, what you know about your place so that we may exchange ideas. Bye. See you in the next video.